This is a pack of Biling solar disc lights for outdoors. Packaging looks good. I have the box with 12 lights. Let's open it. Comes with instruction manual. And here is the solar disc light. It has 8 LED bulbs. Here is the on and off switch. Comes with these stakes. Connect them together. And attach it to the solar light. There you go. All set to be installed. Material is metal here, and this feels very well constructed. Simply push the stake into the soil. They automatically turn on at night and looks great. Highly recommended.